How to fix Facebook temporarily blocked error. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. So you might be in the position where you try to do some interaction in the Facebook, but you are restricted by the Facebook support. It might be because you have done some activities that is against the community guidelines of the Facebook. Well, but if you haven't done anything and you're still facing this issue, then what you can do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. Scroll all the way down and head over to Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on Continue to report a problem. Tap on Include in Report. Scroll down and click on Page. Now in this section, you need to enter the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. You can also modify this paragraph on your own. And once you are done, you need to tap on this arrow icon at the top right corner. Wait for a while. So there you go, your report has been successfully submitted to the Facebook support. Now within 24 hours, the Facebook support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix Facebook temporarily blocked error. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.